Selam everyone, welcome to today's Tatar lesson. Guess what we'll be learning today? Let me give you a hint. I hope you guessed that we'll be learning different body parts in Tatar. And we'll also learn how to use nouns in a plural form. Let's start. The first body part. Actually, it's the whole body. Ten, body. Ten, baş, head, baş, göz, eye, göz, burun, nose, burun, clock, ear, clock, ağız, mouth, ağız, irin, lip, irin, dish, a tooth, dish, mangay, forehead, mangay, çeç, hair, çeç, kaş, an eyebrow, kaş, kirpik, an eyelash, kirpik, muyun, neck, muyun, kol, arm or a hand, kol, trsek, elbow, trsek. I'm not going to show you the next part. It's ayak, a leg or a foot, ayak, tiz, a knee, tiz, parmak, a finger or a toe, parmak, tırnak, a nail, tırnak, kükrek, chest, kükrek, itch, stomach or belly, itch, and arka, back, arka. Quite a few body parts come paired. That's why we need to use those words in a plural form. In English, in order to show plural, we add s or es at the end of the noun. And in Tatar, we add the endings lar or ler or nar or ner. The choice of the ending depends on what kind of sound the word ends with. If the word ends with a nasal sound such as m, n, and l, we add nar or ner at the end of the word. For example, burun, burun, nar, irin, irin, ner, ten, ner. And in all other cases, we add lar or ler. For example, küz, küzler, barmak, barmaklar, kul, kullar, tiz, tizler. And the softness of the ending depends on the softness of the vowels used in the main word. For example, kul, u is a hard vowel, that's why we add lar at the end. Kullar. Küz, u is a soft vowel, that's why we add ler at the end of the word. Küzler. Burun, and are both hard vowels, that's why we add nar at the end of the noun. And then is a soft vowel, that's why we add ner at the end, so it's ner. Now let's learn a few more phrases that will help us complain or talk about things that hurt in our body. Senin qaysı yerin ağrıta? What part of your body hurts? Senin qaysı yerin ağrıta? Benim başım ağrıta. I have a headache. Benim başım ağrıta. Benim içim ağrıta. I have a stomach ache. Benim içim ağrıta. Benim dişim sızlıyor. I have a toothache. Benim dişim sızlıyor. note that the verb sızlı is mostly used to describe a dull pain that one normally experiences when they have a toothache or an earache. It's very annoying. So, sızlı. Minim dişim sızlı. Minim kulağım sızlı. I have an earache. Minim kulağım sızlı. So to sum up, in order to say that you have some kind of a pain or an ache in your body, we either use the verb orta, which probably mostly describes like a sharper pain, and sızlı, which describes more a dull, annoying pain. Selam, niçin haller? Ah, naçar. Ne buldu? Koy sıcırın orta. Benim başım orta. Doğru bileyim mi? Bir. Hey, how are you? Ah, bad. What's wrong? What part of your body hurts? I have a headache. Should I give you some medicine? Yes, please. So to help someone ease their pain, you can offer to give them some medicine by asking doğru bileyim mi? Doğru bileyim mi? There you go. Today we learned the names of some of our body parts, and now you also know how to say that you have a pain or an ache somewhere in your body in case of an emergency. Although I hope that you won't have those types of emergencies too often, because I want you to stay healthy and well. Like this video if you found it useful, subscribe to this channel so that you continue learning the Tatar language, and hit the bell button so that you don't miss any future lessons. Take care of yourselves. İsen bulunuz. Hoşçakalın.